was like, oh god, another interview. But when I started, they picked 5-6 questions, and then I'm like, that is it? And they're like, no, we have more. And I was like, okay, take it quickly, because it's really fun to answer these spontaneous questions, and bring it on if you have some more.
We always get you good questions, Drashti.
Yes, you do. And you get better answers.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, true. You know what I'm talking about.
Well, yes.
What do you usually have in your pockets?
A lip balm. My iPad is always in my hand since the time I've got the iPad, shades, and my cell phone. And money.
What is the first thing you notice about the opposite sex?
The opposite sex, the person how he smells.
Most hated chore in the household chore list, work list. Most hated thing that you don't like to do at home.
I love house cleaning, so yeah, I hate washing dishes where there's half food left in it.
If you had to live under the sea, what animal would you be?
The oyster pearl.
If you were a pizza, what topping would you be?
Cheese.
If you were
And also the cheese that stretches.
If you were to perform in a circus, what would you do?
I would be the ringmaster for a lion.
If heaven exists, what would you like God to say to you when you arrive at the gates?
Be mine forever, and you're the angel, and you're the leader of the angels.
If you could be one kind of beer, what would you be and
Beer.
why? Beer, B-E-E-R. One
Beer.
kind of beer, what would you be and why?
Kingfisher, because I love Kingfisher. And besides that, what's my other beer that I love? No, I think I'll stick to Kingfisher. Sasta Sundar Tikau.
If a genie offered
And because Vijay Mallya has a lot of depth, I might just help him by being Kingfisher.
If a genie offered you 3 wishes, what would they be?
Spend happy. Honestly, I know I'm selfish, but there should be really sub commodities ka price kam kar do. That would be the first wish I would ask for. Second, to have a walk-in closet with all the kind of brands and shoes that I've ever wanted. And I just do that, and I reach the country and the island that I want to.
If you had to choose a place apart from where you are living now,
Fifi Island.
if you were a
Mallu, you should hear this.
If you were a geometric shape, what would you like to be?
A straight line.
Would you believe in a liar who admits he's one?
I think I'm talking about myself.
Okay. If we learn from our mistakes, why are we afraid of making mistakes?
Why are we?
Afraid of making mistakes.
Because we're humans, we tend to do that all the time. And it's just that you know that because of your mistakes you might lose people. But if you actually, like you said, a liar should always come out with his lies. So if you come out with your mistakes and don't repeat them, you're sorted.
Would you rather be good looking or rich?
See, I am good looking, so I want to be rich.
Would you be rich or healthy?
Healthy. With a little bit of money.
You can have someone in your life who's rich.
Huh?
You can marry someone who's rich. So
Actually, yeah, I'll be healthy and find somebody who's really rich. So,
Would you rather have the power to be invisible or the power to read minds?
to be invisible. So I can actually, I don't have to read people's mind, but I can actually see their actions.
Would you rather spend the rest of your life without a significant other, or would you rather have a partner who's extremely difficult?
I'd rather be single.
Would you,
And meet new kind of people, new different difficult people every week, every month, every day. But unfortunately, that doesn't happen.
would you rather be a worried genius or a joyful simpleton?
Joyful simpleton.
Would you spend life in a prison or be executed?
No comments. I don't like either of them.
Would you like to know the day you're going to die ahead of time?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to be, like, even if you know and you want to do 10,000 things before you die, but you're always doing it because, oh hell. Oh hell, I have to do this because I'm going to die. I'd rather die and before that just like enjoy whatever I've got.
One cartoon character that you would want to be?
Winnie the Pooh.
What's your asset?
I can't show. okay, my hair and my eyes.
Do you cry at movies?
Oh yeah, I cry watching Friends. I am like, you know Sanaya, right?
Yeah.
So me and Sanaya were flying to Thailand, and in the flight we're like, baby, let's go to sleep because you know we have to reach Bangkok and we have to go shopping. So we're about to sleep and we're doing that. We're like, P.S. I love you. We need to watch that. So throughout the movie, both of us are like, okay, baby, let's go to sleep. And then we're still watching the movie, and every 2 minutes we're like, how cute. And we were really crying. We cry when we watch Friends, so you can understand.
So who's your favorite Friends character?
All of them, but my favorite is Rachel
Okay.
and Chandler. Actually, Ross also, because he's really dumb, and I like that thing where he's like, Margarita. And that whole, I don't know if you guys have but when he's explaining love, L-O-V-E, and he does that, it's awesome.
When you go to a meal Dutch, would you prefer to itemize the receipt or just split it in half?
Just split it into half.
Do you have a personal
Because I'm sure I'm the only one who's having more food.
Do you have a personal written budget?
No. I try to, but it never goes according to that.
What's the most expensive gift you've received so far? Okay, that's received.
So what do you like to do on the iPad mostly?
Play Fruit Ninja.
Oh my god, I'm an
And you should
addict.
pan to Mallu because
She always loses.
oh please,
Always
hello,
loses.
I have a
Always.
proof. Okay,
What's your highest? What's your highest?
701. That was
Oh
my
my
score.
Ramesh, that was my
701. No, she made a 684 and I got a 701.